Hi, I'm Aid from Ryger UK and I'm here to show you all about the new Ryger VISION controller that's designed to run the absolutely fantastic and fabulous Chauvet starcloths. They are absolutely superb. But when you use this, you can do what you like with it. You can speed your patterns up, you can slow them down, you can black them out when you don't want the starcloth there at all. Bring it instantly back on. Speed the pattern up just a little bit. Then what you can do, you can change your patterns as and when you want to, using the controller on the up and the down buttons. You can also jump 10 at a time using the big red button there, and you get total control over all of the 30 programs built in to your starcloth, instantly at the touch of a button. Then what you also do, if you decide that you don't want the patterns moving, press the middle button, and what you get, when you press the middle button, you get full control over what colour you would like your starcloth to be. And as a plus, you can dim the cloth down in the static modes to off, all the way back up to full brightness in any colour that you choose. Dim down, bring it back up. Then on top of that, choose a colour that you like. What you can do, you can strobe it from a slow strobe speed right the way up to a fast flicker, all at the simple touch of a slider there. Then, as an added bonus on this that you can't do without this controller, pull the colour slider down to the bottom, give yourself a little bit on the dimmer slider there. Right, now you've got a pattern running. Let's go up to a pattern that shows this off just a little bit better. You've got a pattern running. You decide you don't want the pattern running, you want to freeze it. There you go, frozen. All you do, colour slider to the bottom, there's a no function area there, a little bit on the dimmer, press the static colour button, freezes your pattern. Instant freeze. All at the touch of a button. There you go. That's how easy it is. Dead simple to control. Loads of manual stuff on there you can do. You've got your speed control as well of your patterns that you can change the speed from very, very slow right the way up to fast on the speed slider. If you don't want that, then what you can do, if you go into your static colour and then you choose the colour that you want, what you can do, you can put it into a sound mode. There's a built-in microphone on this, so it picks up the volume of your music, and then what it will do to the beat of the music, your starcloth on full brightness, it will flash up and down to the beat of music. Just like the colour there that shows up, there you go, from the built-in microphone. If you want to do a little bit of a swish it on, let it go, let it work through its patterns, there's a manual and an auto 2. When you first press on your patterns are running. Auto 1, that cycles through all 30 patterns built in to the grey controller. The top rotary just there is the speed of how long it's going to stay on each part of the pattern before it moves on. You can do it superbly quick if you want to, or back it off a little bit to about 20 seconds between things happening between each one. It will run, rotate on, about 20 seconds or so, it will move on to the next pattern, then it goes on, another pattern, on another pattern. Now, as an added bonus, with your grey controller that comes with the power pack that comes with the starcloths, you get 30 patterns. Very difficult to access them. With this it's dead easy, but what we've also done we've combined those 30 patterns with statics, with strobes, with multi-patterns, and we've made another 30 sets of patterns. So you've got 60 different things going on here that you can use. So you can access a set of patterns that take you up beyond the 30, and what they are, they're blocks of 4 patterns that we think go together quite well. It may be the chevrons moving to the right, chevrons moving back to the left, all in one pattern. Or it may be up sliding, then it may be frozen into a static colour, then it may go into a strobe, then it may cascade back down again, and that is one pattern. So you get another 30 patterns of combinations that will complement each other. So what you can do there in the second auto mode, first auto takes you through the primary 30 patterns, the second auto mode takes you through all 60 patterns, scrolling through. You never need to touch it again for ages, it will just get on with it and leave you to run your disco, do whatever you want, run your band. It just gets on with it. Now, another thing with this controller, these star cloths, if you have more than one star cloth and you want to make them work together, you cannot do it without running them on a DMX controller, on a complicated desk, or on this. You need this controller to do it. When you plug them in by the power pack, you link your power packs together, put them on DMX address setting 1, put all the different power packs into 14 different star cloths if you want to, or more. Line them all up down the side of a marquee wall, wherever you want to be. Put the power packs in, plug them all in, link them all together with DMX, put the first one into this controller. When you press the button, they all do the same thing at the same time. And you can't do that just by linking the grey controllers together. You need a Ryger Vision to do it. These Ryger Visions are available all over the UK on our website, on our online shop. The cost of these is currently £155. You won't get them any cheaper than that. The only way you'll get them any cheaper is if you buy them as part of a package with a star cloth. That is the only way that you will get any discount on these products. They are going out the door £155 and they are worth every single penny. There it is. There's your controller. That's the one controller that you want to be buying if you own one of these star